Dostlar сендермен мистер Мирас кет. Біз сенен райдердің миссиясын орындауға жалғастырамыз. Лайк қойып подписаться етіңіздер. Қарасаңыз взломым деген екен.
Get in, fool! Where is this old motherfucker? When the hell is it?
Relax, man. We ain't there yet.
Yeah, right, Carl. You always right. That's my homie, Mr. Right.
Shut up.
You can't stop me.
Who can't?
Whatever.
Just how I die. Only thing I know is how to survive. There's only one rule in the real world, and that's to take care of you, only you and yours. Keep dealing with the hard times day after day. Might deal me some dope, but then find no pay. Black man trying to break in my house again. Thought he got off the dope doing time in the pen. Even though my brothers do me just like that, I get a lot of love, so I give it back. So just pick the game and don't talk crap, cause to me, life is one hard rap. Even though my sister smoked crack cocaine, she was 9 months pregnant, ain't nothing changed. 600 million on a football team, and her baby died just like a dope fiend. The story I tell is so deep. 5 kids in the house, no food to eat. Don't look at me and don't ask me why. Mama's next door, getting high. Even though she's got 5 miles to feed, she'd rather spend her money on the HIT. I always tell the truth about things like this. I wonder if the man really that is. Instead of adding to the task force, send some help. Waiting on him, I better help myself. Housing Authority and the OPD.
Let's storm the place. Keep it coming, CJ. What I tell y'all? He making a killing. You a natural housebreaker, homie.
Let's get up out of here.
All right, now we straight. LB got a storage garage down in Seville Boulevard, family turf we can use.
I'm on it. Seriously, Ryder, man. You gotta give up them sticks.
What? Man, I give up the water if you give up being a buster.
Hold it right there, homie.
Buster?
Forget it.
Forget you, fool.
One day, you gonna wish you hadn't pissed me off.
Did I hear something? Sound like the buster complaining again.
Man, this is childish.
And I ain't talking to you no more, fool.
I'm gonna fuck you up for that.
You see, I told you. Simple.
Yeah, that was a real breeze.
Say, CJ, you gotta get it in your head that this is everyday shit, homie.
Кәрі аяқтаймын да. Ренжімей отырмын. Мына видео деп. Ұрлықпен ұрлайсыңдар дейді мынау. Немен бағын райдермен бірге айдаған. Газелі. Газелі.
Okay, look, I'm tired. I'll see you later.
Alright, Holmes. Just think about what I said.
Райдер шығып кетті. Сонымен біз аяқтаймыз видеоны. Бәріңізге сау болыңыздар. Лайк пен подписаться етіңіз. Сау болыңыздар бәріңізге.